Once again, welcome students. I am your bio teacher Vikas sir from Eklavya Educational Complex. Dear students, I hope that you all are fine and safe at home. Students, in previous classes, we studied about cell membrane. We studied about cell membrane, their location, their function, why it is known as selectively permeable membrane, and all the movements, endocytosis, exocytosis, as well as pinocytosis. Today we will study about uh, cytoplasm. Today we will study about the second basic component of cell, which determine a cell is true or not, through which we can determine a cell is true or not. So our second component is cytoplasm. Second component is cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is jelly-like substances, or we can also say it as semi-solid substances. Cytoplasm is jelly-like or semi-solid-like substances. Location-wise, it is located between cell membrane and nucleus. Location-wise, it is located between cell membrane and nucleus. Here it is located. Location-wise, it is located between cell membrane and nucleus. So, if anybody asks that what is the location of cytoplasm, then we can say cytoplasm is located between cell membrane and nucleus. Cytoplasm is the main area. Cytoplasm is the main arena of cellular function. Arena means area. Cytoplasm is the main area of cellular function. Main area of cellular function. Cytoplasm is the main area of cellular function. All the enzymatic reaction or all the reaction takes place in cytoplasm only. Now, cytoplasm, inside cytoplasm, all the living components inside the cytoplasm, is known as protoplasm. And inside cytoplasm, all living solid material. Inside cytoplasm, all living solid material is known as cell organelle. Cell organelles. All living solid materials inside cytoplasm is known as cell organelles. Example: mitochondria, ribosome, Golgi body, chloroplast, lysosome, vacuoles. These all are the example of cell organelles. One important process also occurs inside cytoplasm, that is cytoplasm also helps in intercellular movement. Cytoplasm also allow the substance to move inside them. Cytoplasm also allows substances to move inside them, and that process is known as what? Cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasmic streaming. It is a process in which cytoplasm allow the substances to move inside them, and this process is known as cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasm keeps the cell turgid. Cytoplasm keeps the cell turgid. That's why the main function of cytoplasm is provide a proper shape to the cell. The main function of cytoplasm is to provide proper shape to the cell. So today this much only. Next topic we will study in the next classes. Thank you students. Be safe and keep doing the hard work. Bye.